Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to change the headlight bulbs on this Mercury Grand Marquis. Alright guys, first thing you got to do is pop the hood, and you're probably going to have some kind of plastic cover here. I don't know if this car is missing a lot of stuff, but this is your bulb right here, so you need to grab this and twist it, and once this comes off, the bulb just pops out. Okay, it's a little tight here, but if you have a little trouble, just grab a little screwdriver and just pop it. So, there you go. Actually, just pop the ball right out. Alright, so here's your bulb. You need to unclip it from here and just pull it out, okay? Just be careful because this is plastic and it's probably going to be a little brittle, so try not to snap it off, okay? Okay, I'm just going to pry this up a little bit and separate it. Alright guys, these are the bulbs you need to get. Number 9007. Buy these in pairs, okay? Because we're going to change them both, because these bulbs, they'll only have like a certain amount of life to them. So if you change one, chances are you need to change the other. So do them in pairs, okay? All right, make sure you wear gloves when you do this, because the oil on your hand messes up the halogen bulb. So we're just going to pop this in, just like this. And now we're ready to put this right in there. Just going to pop this right in there. Put it in this hole back here first, and then put it where it's supposed to. Alright, so just push it in place like that, and take the ring, wrap it around it, and twist it. This is the same way, just twist it first, and pull it out. I just got to unplug it. Now get the ring around it, and again snap it in place. Okay. All right guys, we got lights. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.